Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable NordWhisper on your Android device. NordWhisper is NordVPN's protocol designed for restrictive networks, so it's super handy when you're using Wi-Fi at airports, hotels, campuses, or offices where VPNs usually get blocked. And quick reminder, if you don't have NordVPN yet, check the link in the description below. Right now, there's a 74% discount plus 4 bonus months, and it's all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Alright. First, open the NordVPN app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select Settings from the menu. Now, tap on VPN Protocol. From the list of options, choose NordWhisper. Finally, reconnect to the VPN. Once the status shows connected, your Android device is now running through the NordWhisper protocol. So when should you use it? Think of NordWhisper as your backup for restrictive networks like hotels, cafes, or airports. If your regular connection fails, switching to NordWhisper usually fixes the problem. And that's it. Enabling NordWhisper on Android takes less than a minute. If you want to grab NordVPN and get the 74% discount plus 4 free months, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.